There are several types of web attacks that could be used to compromise your personal information. Here are three of the most common ones. Cross-site scripting is one of the most common application-level attacks that hackers use to sneak into web applications today. Two parties are involved in most attacks, either the attacker and the website, or the attacker and the victim client. However, a cross-site scripting attack involves three parties: the attacker, a client, and the website. The goal of the cross-site scripting attack is to steal client cookies or other sensitive information which can identify the client with the website. Then the attacker can impersonate the legitimate user to do anything on the site. Another common attack is a SQL injection. This is an attack in which malicious code is executed to control a web application's database. When attackers find a vulnerability in the database, they can exploit the issues and use the SQL injection to upload a web shell, which gives them access to remote administration and greater access to the hosting server. A third common attack is URL obfuscation. This refers to the obfuscation or shortening of URLs in email messages or on websites. Oftentimes, links can get very long, making them unwieldy or impossible to type in the small space allotted by network sites. To get around this, third-party services such as tinyurl.com or bit.ly will encode the URL into a much shorter version. These shortened versions can be used by everyday users, but attackers have found them to be useful in tricking their victims into visiting a malicious site by utilizing a cleverly misspelled domain name and to evade spam filters in an email.